good.
All right. Are we enjoying ourselves?
Yes, sir. Yes,
How you
ma'am.
doing, boss? The band is phenomenal.
Yes.
Phenomenal. You guys
Yes.
are awesome. So, I have a certificate here, Mr. Foss. I'm going to present this to you. But before I do, let me go ahead and read what it says. All right. Thank you. Okay. This certificate of recognition is presented to Mr. Fra, the Soul Man. So, in recognition of your induction into the San Diego Music Hall of Fame for your outstanding contributions and exceptional achievement in the music community of San Diego. Your talent, dedication, and passion have left a lasting mark on the cultural landscape and continue to inspire generations of artists and audience alike. Mr. Foss, congratulations on all your achievements. I want to give this to you. And I'm going to have you say a couple words.
First of all, I want to thank everybody who's here for the Calvin home. And I want to thank my nephews to be of course, I'm the oldest one here. But anyway, I want to thank Tweety for everything she's done for me. And living here has been great. And I want to thank everybody, including my name is Duke Ellington.
Who's going to be next year?
Thank you so much. Mark Fisherman.
All right, congratulations, JR. San Diego Music Hall of Fame 2025. You see him every Sunday with us out at Aquarius.